Tinos Island has so much to offer that I could not fit everything in just one episode. So, welcome to the second part of Tinos. Where we will visit another two villages, Pyrgos and Volax, the Marble Museum and the local marble sculpture, one of the happiest beach bars in Kyklades, and of course more amazing food from farm to table, Bianco restaurant, and the making of an incredible cheese called Kariki. Don't forget to subscribe if it is your first time watching us, and feel free to share and like. Driving in Tinos is full of beautiful sights, and the landscape is changing after every mountain you cross over. And the color of the sea surrounding the island is an amazing blue color. Volax village is located at an altitude of 300 meters above the sea level in a strange and unique site full of huge granite boulders, remains of a volcanic eruption that took place some 1,000 years ago. The few inhabitants of Volax, not more than 50 in total, were basket weavers, and the workshops can be visited. And I say were because the only two left weaving baskets are now old and retired. I found one of them, Ludovicos, sorting out capers instead, with a few baskets and photographs in display around him, memories of past years. The walk in the village was very enjoyable, with small streets, beautiful small houses, and someone demonstrating his artistic talents by writing poems on walls, old window shutters and doors. Very good lunch with local products at Rocco's Taverna. Next, we met Aggeliki at a unique cheese-making factory situated on the slopes of the highest mountain of Tinos, with a breathtaking view of Mykonos. Unique because Aggeliki makes a cheese of dairy product from her own livestock farm, aged in a gourd, and the results are amazing. The taste is a mixture of Roquefort cheese, aged arsenicor of Naxos, as well as aged Stilton. She cuts the flasks and empties them, puts the cheese in with salt, seals the flasks, and stores them from 6 months to a year for the yeast to do her job. Pyrgos is the largest village of Tinos and producer of some of the most important Greek artists, sculptors and painters, full of marble workshops, galleries and a functioning school of fine arts continuing the tradition of marble. The Marble Museum is worth visiting. Just outside Pyrgos, I stopped to visit a marble sculpture at work. Bianco Beach House Restaurant is located just 6 kilometers away from Tinos town in an exclusive beach with crystal clear waters and a modern gourmand kitchen. I met the executive chef Ilia when he was still a young boy wanting to become a chef, and I'm happy that maybe I contributed to his love for cooking. Ilia is using only quality local products and he is proud of the results, and he should be.
Hello, my name is Ilias. Welcome to Restaurant Bianco. I'm the head chef of Restaurant Bianco the last 2 years. For me, Tinos is one of the best islands to work as a chef because of the local ingredients, the local herbs, the local cured meats, and all of this beautiful environment. I will welcome you with 3 of our signature dishes. The first dish is gonna be tuna salami, which is made out of the herbs of like pastrami, and we serve it with lime zest and a little bit herb oil. The second dish is gonna be grouper with wild local herbs and cold meat, which it calls luza. And the third dish is gonna be cheesecake, which is made out of Tinos cheeses and apricot jam. On the side, we serve it with apricot ice cream, and on the bottom you will find the crispy white chocolate.
I couldn't wait to meet Alexandro at Kato Klisma and tell me about his business, Tinos Farm to Table. Alexandros has his own farm where he grows everything he cooks, and he shares his knowledge of the local cuisine by organizing cooking classes for visitors.
Ονομάζομαι Αλέξανδρος και έχω ξεκινήσει μια επιχείρηση η οποία ονομάζεται Tinos Farm to Table και είμαι private chef. Η λογική στηρίζεται πίσω από το βιολογικό μποστάνι και στην πρώτη ύλη. Έχω τα δικά μου μποστάνια, παράγω τα δικά μου λαχανικά, όλα ανάλογα με τη σεζόν τους. Επίσης έχω το δικό μου κοτέτσι με τις δικές μου κοτούλες, όπου μαζεύω τα φρέσκα αυγά μου κάθε μέρα και φτιάχνω τα πάντα από φρέσκα αυγά που παράγουν οι κότες μου. Άλλα πράγματα που κάνω είναι το cooking class στον χώρο που βρισκόμαστε, όπου συμμετέχει ο επισκέπτης σε όλη αυτή την εμπειρία, όπου επισκεφτόμαστε τα μποστάνια, μαζεύουμε τα λαχανικά μας, μαζεύουμε τα αυγά μας και γυρνάμε εδώ και μαγειρεύουμε παραδοσιακά σε ξυλόφουρνο, barbecue, σε γκάζι και κάνουμε παραδοσιακές συνταγές ελληνικές με βάση το κυριακάτικο ελληνικό τραπέζι. Μαγειρεύαμε όλοι μαζί και στο τέλος καθόμαστε και τρώμε όλοι μαζί το φαγητό που μαγειρέψαμε. Σήμερα θα φτιάξουμε μάραθο τηγανίτες και σκορδαλιά με πατάτα και κάπαρη. Όλα τηνιακά. Θέλουμε περίπου ένα μάτσο μάραθο, φρέσκο, ψιλοκόβουμε το μάραθο. Θα προσθέσουμε και λίγο ξερό. Θα χρειαστούμε ένα ξερό κρεμμύδι μεσαίου μεγέθους και θα χρησιμοποιήσουμε το μισό ψιλοκομμένο. Πρώτα θα τα πορτοποιήσουμε.
Left the happiest moment that I had on the island for last. Lalaloza Beach Bar must be the happiest place in the whole of the Kyklades because of a man called Agapitos. So, as I am ready to leave Tinos, I give you some of my friends' positive attitude and love for life, and I hope it will bring a smile to your face and warmth in your heart.
Ξεχνάμε ότι η ζωή είναι στιγμές και χαμόγελο και ότι όλα έρχονται στο κατάλληλο timing. Τέλος.
Thank you for watching and for your support. Please share and like this episode and take a trip with me with the rest of my videos already in my channel. Stay tuned for the next episode.